Hello and welcome to the new video. This video is about ASUS CUBX motherboard. It has a Pentium III processor and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it has an AGP slot, has 5 PCI slots, comes with graphic cards, which is Trident Blade, and with additional LAN card. It also has an ISA port, which is pretty cool, and comes with 2 RAM sticks. We will turn on the motherboard right now and run the Windows XP from CD-ROM, so you can see that it's all working fine. So let's turn it on. Okay, we'll now focus on the screen. I'm going to just turn off the light. Okay, as you can see, 533 megahertz and 128 megabytes of RAM. It's showing a hardware monitor error. It's due to my power supply. It's giving a bit too much 5 volts on 5 volt rail. Anyway, we'll now boot to Windows XP. Okay. Okay, we're here. Let's just run a program to identify the system. Okay. Does not want to run. Let's see something else. Yeah, not enough memory. 128 megabytes is not enough for it to run because the Windows already booted to RAM, so there's not enough space. Let's see, maybe something is a bit smaller. Specky, not enough memory. Let's turn on the paging memory then. Yeah, but we cannot even put paging memory since there's no hard drive. That's a shame. Also, we won't be able to show you much, but anyway, you can see that it's working. Let's see if we can get to Device Manager. Yeah, but it's mini Windows XP, doesn't have it. Yeah. Let's see what is there here. Yeah. We can just see the system, but it's not showing much over here. Anyway, as you can see, the motherboard is stable, everything is working, and that's it. So this is ASUS CUBX. Thanks for watching and bye.